Okay, this is my February masterpiece box, and it is all about mindful mala making. And we're having a sound bath from Susie from the Copper Vessel. So each month we get art supplies for a workshop. So, ooh, I haven't opened this yet. Oh, look at this, Stinkies. Look. Get all these beautiful beads, and we're gonna have a workshop to go over how to do this together. That's so cute. That is so cute. And then in this box we have Cacao, and what else do we have? We've got some collagen crystal eye masks and this self-care Pamper Kit, which let's open and see what's in this. What do you think, Jax? What's in here? Oh, look. We have a 15-minute eye mask for firming, a 15-minute hyaluronic acid for moisturizing, all these beautiful, that's exciting. All right, what else do we have? We have this beautiful little How to Love book, and it's got all these really cute little pages. Let's see, is there something really small? No, what's this? So joy. The third element of true love is the capacity to offer joy. When you know how to generate joy, it nourishes you and nourishes the other person. Your presence is an offering like fresh air or spring flowers or the bright blue sky. It's a really cute little book. What else? I'm really excited for this for bath bombs, and it's got a little crystal on here. That's just so exciting. So it's an intentional life self-love bath bomb. That's really awesome. That's really made with love by Magic Fairy Candles. What else? Oh yeah, this is a little facial roller, and I'm so excited. What do you think, Stinkies? Should we face roll you a little bit? What else? Oh, and last but not least, we have this rich lavender candle in a tin. What do you think? Want to smell? That smells good. So this is the February masterpiece box, and next month we're gonna do watercolor and sound healing. Oh, I guess Susie isn't this month, it's next month, but that's awesome. So this is about art supplies and self-care, and it's a really amazing box. And I will leave a code for a little bit off your box for next month. So check it out.